Hi, my name is Consuelo Martinez. I am the president and the founder of the ULRR.
My name's Stephanie and I am part of ULRR and I dance in the group.
I'm Jaden Hidalgo. I'm the treasurer or the lead fundraiser in ULRR.
My name is Walter. I'm the creative director of ULRR.
ULRR stands for
Unión
Latina.
Raices.
Y Ritmos.
I'm the president. I'm technically supposed to be in charge of some things, but as a founder, I am in charge of doing choreography, of being like the coach, basically teaching the kids how to dance.
So my role as treasurer, I just count most of the money, but then when we get to leading fundraiser, I'm dealing with mostly like getting events to fundraise for our club, and then also like going out to different companies for money.
I basically do the mixes and the music that we dance to in the pep rallies and any other events that we go and perform.
Our goal is really to show and express our Latino culture by dancing.
Representing what Hispanic is all about. It's not just about our skin color. It's not about like what we look like, but it's more about who we are as a person, as an individual. I feel like what we're trying to reach out here is say, hey, we are here and we want to be seen, but we're not here to do the wrong thing. We're here to have fun, create a family, basically.
We are very dedicated to it. We know it's just dancing and stuff. We love to show our Hispanic culture. And it's the thing that is driving this big and great group, amazing group, to keep coming in and practicing a lot, and very recurrent practices.
Our attempt to achieve this, right now we're going on pep rallies, showing just Skyer what we're about, but also we're trying to get out there in like Christmas shows or like elementaries and middle schools, trying to get more Latinos to stand up and for the right. Stand up and like show our cultures and diversity all around.
When dancing, we do traditional dances or dances that are mainly in Hispanoamerica, and then we also have the songs be very popular around that genre.
Basically anyone can join. Doesn't matter if you're Hispanic or not, but usually just Hispanics join. But you don't need to know how to dance. You don't need to know about your culture. Like, we'll teach you about it. Like, for example, if you're Mexican and you don't know like about Day of the Dead, or you don't know about any of the Mexico cultures, we'll teach them to you.
We don't have any strict qualifications. We're just looking for people that are willing to dance and have fun with us, and that also have a little dedication to be coming on every practice and every event we do.
The thing I enjoy the most is that you come in as a stranger. You come in as someone that doesn't know what you're signing up for, but then you create a family. Our